In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an Arnold press on one of these exercise or Swiss balls. So firstly, you've got the dumbbells in front of you. What I don't want you to do is in this position, especially with heavy weight, start to bend and arch your back and then try to bring the weights onto your knees. Rather than that, you're going to make sure that you squat down, nice straight back, stand all the way up, and then sit in the middle of your exercise ball. From this position, notice how I've got the dumbbells in contact with my knees, and I start off the Arnold press by bringing those dumbbells into a position where they're like so. So I've got my elbows locked into my body, my palms are facing towards me, and the dumbbells are in line with my shoulders. In this position, I'm going to rotate my hands to face towards the camera, so palms towards the camera, facing away from me. That's the first part of the movement. The second part of the movement is to come up into my shoulder press. I don't need to touch the dumbbells at the top of the motion, coming down and back in. So palms facing towards me, palms facing away as I bring the elbows out, all the way up into my shoulder press, back down and back in. So from a side view, that looks like this. So coming up, I've almost done a bicep curl there to start off the motion. From here, palms facing me, elbows out, palms facing away, all the way up into my shoulder press, back down and in. And then if I do fast repetitions, that looks like this. So you can see not only am I rotating the weight, I'm also bringing my elbows out and back in at the same time. That is how you do an Arnold press on an exercise ball, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.